Hey y'all, hey, it's Casey from Liquid Diet Vegan Nail Polish, CEO and founder. And if you are bold, unapologetic, authentic, and you have a unique vibe, we're the brand for you. Today we're going to talk about our newest collection, the Glitz Glam collection, which is a shimmer collection out of this world. Okay, we are going to look at the video swatches of each color and so that you can see the beautiful application of it as well as the beautiful finish. So let's get into it. First up, we have Disco Daiquiri, the life of the party. Okay, it is a clear glitter shade and clear base glitter shade, and it has all different kinds of glitter shapes of glitter. You have octagon, bar glitters, mini glitters, and of all different neon colors. This is just such a fun shade. So if you're looking to be the girl with the fun nails or the woman with the fun nails, this is for you. Look at that beautiful finish. And this is it over Silver Slay. You can wear it by itself or over another color. Then we have Sassy Sangria. Oh my God. Sassy Sangria is a deep cranberry red shimmer and it has a pink shimmer to it. So it is such a beautiful shade. And this is the type of shade that when it's dry, it still looks wet. Who doesn't love that type of shade? So if you want to be bold, courageous, this is the shade for you. You could wear it with a little black mini dress, or it would complement plenty of outfits. And look at that shine. Look at that beautiful finish. Sassy Sangria is the hot girl, okay? Sassy Sangria is it. Look at the beautiful shine and the natural light. Again, this shade is a shade that when it's dry, it still looks wet, but it's just a beautiful red shade. Then we have our diamond blue spritzer. This shade here is just a perfect midnight blue with sparkle. Okay, it's a beautiful shimmer. Look how it applies smoothly, and you're definitely going to stand out with this shade. Okay, this is a cool breeze. Okay, you're definitely going to stand out with this shade. It's a must have in your collection, especially if you're that bold, authentic, audacious, just got a beautiful vibe. This is the shade for you. Look at that beautiful finish. It is a, like I said, a perfect midnight blue with that shimmer in there, sparkling shimmer like diamonds, okay? Shine bright like a diamond in my Riri voice. It is a beautiful shade. And then we have our Silver Slay Margarita. Who doesn't want a good metallic silver shade? It is such a beautiful shade. It goes on smooth. It's the perfect silver, so it's not off in color, and it's buildable. So as you can see with the second coat going on, it's getting opaque, and the finish is just awesome. So just get ready to be wild with the finish of this Silver Slate. Perfect metallic shimmer, and you can wear this year round. Okay, you can wear it year round. Look at that finish. Beautiful, beautiful finish. Okay. Perfect metallic shimmer. Look at it shine in that sun. Such a beautiful shimmer. And again, if you want to stand out, this is the collection for you because each color is going to tell a different story. Okay. Next up, we have our beautiful jewel tone Emerald City Elixir. It is a teal shimmer and it shifts green sometimes, shifts blue sometimes. Who doesn't want a dual shimmering shade? Okay, dual shifting shade. As you can see with all of the polishes, they go on smooth. Um, they it's easy to apply. This polish dries fast as well, but it's easy to come off. Just use some regular nail polish remover, non-acetone preferably, but look at the finish on that. And like I said, in the sun, it can shift blue, it can shift green. This is going to be your dual shade, depending on your mood. You can shift either way. It's not a mood polish, but you just move those fingers in how your mood is going, and you're going to shift green or shift blue. But this is a beautiful jewel tone shade that is a must have. And last but not least, we have our liquid gold cocktail. It is the most beautiful sheer shimmer. It's a true gold. It's buildable. You can wear a light shade with just one coat, or you can make it opaque with like 2 to 3 coats. But it is a beautiful, soft shimmer that still packs a great punch. So you'll see here in the finish that she has a very light um, finish. And again, it's buildable. So it depends on if you want a light finish like this, or if you want more opaque finish, you can build up that shade. But look how beautiful that gold is. It's so elegant. It's so soft. Okay. So even in your boldness, you can still be soft.